Good day. Welcome again to another video lecture about Chi-square for independence, computation, and statistical analysis. So we are given a task. First, create your own data sets with at least 2 variables and at least 100 observations or respondents. Second, create and state an objective based on a data set you made. The objectives could be different from the given example as shown in the recorded lecture. Third, create and state the null hypothesis, and the fourth is compute the R value and P value. Decide on the null hypothesis, whether to reject or accept. So we're gonna proceed to the link of Chi-square. Then click. So here it is, Chi-square test calculator. So in the Chi-square test calculator, we have only 5 rows and 5 columns, which means that this calculator can accept only 5 factor levels for every variable. The rows will have the first variable and columns will be the factor variable for the second variable. So we're gonna proceed to the data sets. Okay. So as you can see, the researcher wants to correlate in choosing of vaccines by several individuals according to their gender. Their gender were girl 1, boy 2, and LGBTQ plus is 3. On the other hand, the options for vaccines and their codings were as follows. Pfizer is 1, Moderna is 2, Sinovac is 3, AstraZeneca is 4, and Novavax is 5. So as you can see, we have the variable with at least 100 totals of observations or correspondence were shown here in spreadsheets. 50 datasets for gender and 50 datasets for vaccine chosen. And then we try to copy this. And we will be working in this. Remove that. Clear. So this will be the sets. So for religion, for gender. So for gender, we have 3 factor levels. First is girl, boy, and LGBTQ+. Then for the vaccines chosen, this is Y variables. We have 5 data factors level. First is Pfizer, Moderna, Sinovac, AstraZeneca, and Novavax. Novavax. So those are our category names. After we set up the table for factor levels, let's try to click the next. Okay. Ito na siya. Then we'll go back to this. So what we need to do is to know how many girls choose Pfizer. Okay. Code. If and L2 equals to 1 and M2 equals to 1 and yes or no, then click. So the answer is no. So let's try to copy this. Let's try to copy this by dragging. Then paste. Okay. So next let's try to count. Count if N2 and 51. Yes. Okay. So girls that chooses Pfizer is 10. So, i-copy muna natin to sa Excel para hindi tayo mahirapang magpabalik-balik sa link na ito. Copy muna natin siya dito. So, for Pfizer, Moderna, Sinovac, AstraZeneca, and Novavax. Then, oil. So, answer kanina is 10. And then, again, gagawin lang natin tong 2. Tama. Gagawin lang natin tong 2 and then answer is 10 also. And then gagawin ulit natin tong 3. Then the answer is also 10. In AstraZeneca, gagawin natin tong 4. The answer is also 10. And for the Novavax, gagawin natin tong 5. And then the answer is also 10. So for the boy is gagawin natin tong 2. Ito 1. The answer is 10. And then 2, the answer is 10. Parang color 2. Gagawin tong 3, the answer is 3, the answer is 10. Sa AstraZeneca, gawin natin tong 4. The answer is also 10. Then 10. For Novavax, gagawin natin itong 5. And the answer is 10. And for the LGBTQ+, nagawin natin itong 3 and ito is 1 and the answer is 10. Next is nagawin itong 2 and the answer is 10. My God. And for Sinovac, gagawin 3 is 10. For AstraZeneca, 4 is 10. And last is for the Novavax, was 2. Equals to 11. So, ito yung results niya. And then, balik tayo sa link. Okay. Then, copy lang. Then, 11. So, ito 11. So, this is the answer. So, let's try to press the next. So, the significant level is 0.05 and click the calculate guy. So, we have now the results. Then we need to screenshot it, the results. So for data analysis, the data had been tested with Chi-square is determine the association between gender of students and their vaccine chosen. Assuming that the data distribution between gender of the students and their chosen vaccine were normally distributed. The statistical test or the computed R value is 0.0509, which suggests that the gender of students and their chosen vaccine were strong. In terms of association, further analysis shows that computed p-value based on computed R value and sample is equal to 1, which is higher than the significance level of 0.05. Therefore, the null hypothesis is accepted. Thank you.